Hello 8th grade. Today we're going to start the 2-point perspective cityscape. These are the things that you will need for the whole entire project. I've divided this project into 2 parts. 1, the drawing, and 2, the color or the painting. You will need a ruler, a pencil, possibly a Sharpie to outline, and to paint you will need a brush, watercolors, and water. Let's get started. Perspective is a device that artists kind of invented to make things look three-dimensional on a flat surface. Perspective came in the Renaissance. So we're going to start with making a horizontal line across the paper. This is the sky and this is the ground. 2-point perspective, it has 2 dots to show distance in the drawing. We're going to do a corner of the city. So I'm going to make a straight line that is parallel with the edge of the paper that's going to go through the horizon line. Everything on this side of the building will go to this dot. Everything on this side of the building will go to this dot. That's a really long building. So I'm going to cut it and make it a shorter building. This line is parallel with this line. We want to make at least 5 buildings on this piece of paper. So this is 1 building. I can make a building here. This will be 2. It's next to the main building. And that would be the 3rd building. I'm going to put 2 buildings in the background. I will make a vertical line that is parallel with the edge of the paper. That's the corner, and it's behind all the other buildings. This side of the building goes to this dot. The end of the building is parallel with this line. This side of the building goes to this dot. And the end of the building is parallel with the center line. This line. That's a building in the background. I'm going to make 1 more building in the background. I have my 5 buildings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to make the corner, the curb, and the sidewalk. I make a small vertical line, that is the edge of the curb. The top of the line goes to each dot. And the bottom of the line goes to each dot. This is the curb, and this is the sidewalk. To make the sidewalk have the lines of the concrete, they go to the opposite dot. So this side goes to this dot. And this side will go to this dot. That is the only difference. We're going to put windows on each of the buildings. Windows come in different designs. Some are the big glass panel designs. Some are the old-fashioned brick designs where the windows inside the bricks. I'm going to make this the glass panels. I'm going to take my ruler and I'm going to mark equal lines. Windows on this side of the building will go to this dot. Windows on this side will go to that dot. Lines that do not show distance, that are just straight up and down, are parallel with the edge of the paper. I'm going to make different kinds of designs for windows on the other buildings, using my ruler and the points show distance. Windows on my buildings, so now I'm going to add the street markings. Markings on this side of the street will go to that dot over on this side. Street markings on this side will go to this dot. The crosswalks are like the sidewalks. They will go to the opposite dot. Now I'm going to use my black marker and my straight edge to outline all my lines so that I'm ready to paint in the next video. next lesson, we will add color. Hope you had fun.